Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to sharpen small text in Photoshop. Step 1 and I apply step 1 and step 2. First of all, apply step 1. Select the text layer, double click the text layer, and now see this type icon. Click and click sharp, smooth, strong. Okay, I used sharp. And another way to step 2, click the text, go to filter tab, sharpen, smart sharpen or unsharp mask. I use smart sharpen. Radius. Now see this, follow this, change it. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.